Current and Possible Finance both help people access money when they need it, but they work in completely different ways. Current focuses on banking features, while Possible Finance focuses on personal loans. By the end, you'll know how Current and Possible Finance compare, what each service is designed for, and which option may fit different financial situations. The biggest difference is the type of product you are getting. Current is a financial platform that offers banking features designed to help users manage their money. Possible Finance is a lending service that allows eligible users to apply for a loan. Current is built around everyday money management. Users can use the app to handle banking tasks, monitor their account activity, and access available financial features. If your goal is having a digital banking option with money management tools, Current is the type of service to compare. Possible Finance works differently because the main purpose is borrowing. Users apply through the platform, and approval depends on eligibility requirements and the information provided during the application process. The way you evaluate each one should match your goal. If you need a place to manage your money and use banking tools, compare Current's features with your current bank. If you need a loan, review Possible Finance's loan terms, repayment details, and total cost before accepting an offer. Another difference is how you use the service over time. Current is designed for ongoing financial activity, while Possible Finance is focused on the loan process and repayment. Your approval experience can also be different. Banking platforms and lending platforms look at different information because they provide different services. Current's account features are not the same as a loan application, and Possible Finance's approval process is connected to its lending product. Before choosing either option, check the latest features, requirements, and costs directly from each company. Financial apps can change their services, so the current details shown during sign-up are the ones that matter. To summarize, Current is focused on digital banking features, Possible Finance is focused on personal loans, and the better choice depends on whether you need money management or borrowing. Start by deciding what problem you need to solve, then compare the option that matches that goal. If this comparison helped you, like the video, and subscribe for more app comparisons.